Add the music and a 4.0 seconds black photo from stock video. Tap the music and tap the beats icon. Add 6 beats with the music. Just follow what I did here. Starting with the first beat mark, add the text, blah. Using these beat marks shows where to add the lyrics, blah blah blah. And after adding the lyrics, you may use any animation and fonts you want. Here I used text flip transitions. Now trim the text with the next beat. Slightly overlap the next text with the first text. Trim the second text with the next beat. Tap the first text and add keyframe on both sides. Tap the second text and change the color, then add keyframe on both sides. Tap the first text and rotate the last keyframe clockwise. Tap the second text and rotate the first keyframe counterclockwise. Zoom the last keyframe of each text. Add animation, first text, out blur for 0 point to second, second text, in blur for 0 point to second. Add the next text and change the color, overlap the third text with the second text. Now trim with the next beat. Then add animation with the second text, out blur for 0 point to second. Add keyframe with the third text on both sides. Rotate the first keyframe, counterclockwise, and zoom the last keyframe. Add animation, in blur for 0 point to second and out blur 0 point to second. Copy the second text and overlap the copied text with the third text. To change the color of the fourth text, you need to align with the keyframe. Make a new project and add a 3.0 seconds black photo. Add the text blah, font used Rubik, effects multicolor. Trim the text half, then copy, and overlap the copied text. Change the font to feature, add animation to the first text, out blur for 0.6 second, and second text, in blur for 0.5 second. When finished, export the project. Go back to the first project and move at this part of the fourth text, and add the exported clip as overlay. Now move to the part of the overlay clip where the text fonts start to change, then add keyframe. Align the keyframe at the last beat mark by adjusting the overlay clip. Trim the last part of the overlay to 2.4 seconds. Now add keyframe on both sides and on the last beat mark of the overlay clip. Rotate the first keyframe, counterclockwise, second keyframe, zoom in like this, last keyframe zoom more and drag down the text. Remove the music and export the project. Go back to the project and add the exported clip and delete the other clips and text. Here I already added the effects used, edge glow under lens, astral under nightclub, align the edge glow to first clip up to where the font changed, while the astral effect aligned to whole clip. Add a small part of effect shake under nightclub at the last beat mark, align another effect to whole clip, noise 2 under retro, and last, angel under light effect. Now here are the clip's durations. For the effects used to each clip, add a small part of vertical blur under opening and closing. Add to every clip except with the first photo, clip 7. Now add zoom lens under lens to the following clips. First clip. Third clip. Fifth clip. 11th clip. 13th clip. And for the 15th clip, black flash 2 under nightclub. Go back to the first clip and add a white photo from stock video as overlay, duration 0.3 second, blend overlay with animation out, fade out. Add the white photo overlay to all clips. For the last white overlay, duration change to 0.7 second. For the photo clips, add a too small part of white photo and place them like this. It should look like this. Animation used, first and second clip 0.2 second swing bottom each and transition camera left. Third swing bottom, and fourth swing right with 0.2 second duration each. Added animation to fourth clip. Add 2 keyframe on both sides and zoom the first keyframe. Fifth clip, 0.2 second swing bottom with keyframe on both sides and zoom the last keyframe. Sixth clip, 0.2 second swing bottom with keyframe on both sides and zoom the first keyframe. For the 3 photo clips, no animation added. 10th clip, 0.2 second swing bottom with 3 keyframe, zoom the first keyframe and reduce the opacity of the last keyframe to 60. 11th clip, swing bottom, 12th clip swing right, 0.2 second each, added animation with the 12th clip, add keyframe on both sides and zoom the first keyframe, then add transition camera left. 13th clip, no animation added, with keyframe on both sides, then zoom the last keyframe. 14th clip, no animation added with keyframe on both sides and zoom the first keyframe. 15th clip, no animation added with keyframe on both sides and zoom the first keyframe. Result.